Ever wonder how millionaires keep getting richer while most people struggle to save even a single dollar? It's not just about earning more, it's about knowing money saving secrets that we never teach in school. Today, I'll reveal 10 hidden millionaire hacks to help you save money fast and build wealth like up to top 1%. Make sure to watch the video till the end because hack number 10 is something even billionaires don't want you to know. Hack number 1 is the 24-hour rule. Millionaires don't make impulse purchases. They follow the 24-hour rule. If they still want the item after 24 hours, they buy it. About 90% of the time, they realize they don't need it. Hack number 2 is the invisible bank account. Rich people secretly hide money from themselves by automatically transferring 20% of their income to a hidden saving account they don't touch. Number 3 is the secret tax loophole. Millionaires save thousands by using legal tax deduction most people never think about, like home, offices, etc. Hack number 4 is buy assets, not liabilities. The rich spend money on income generating assets, not flashy cars that lose values. Trick is every time you want to buy something expensive, ask, will it make me money? Hack number 5 is billionaire negotiating trick. Millionaires never accept the first price, whether it's car, rent, or even internet bills. They always negotiate, and you should too. Hack number 6 is avoid lifestyle inflation. When people start to earn more, they increase spending instead of saving. The wealthy don't fall into these traps. They maintain the same lifestyle while their wealth grows. Hack number 7 is the cashback and reward. Millionaires use cashback credit cards and apps like Honey to get money back on every single purchase. They do so you can also try doing this to save or to earn money. 8 is the buy in bulk secret. The rich have thousand yearly buys buying essential in bulk, groceries, toiletries, and even travel tickets. So they shop in bulk rather than going every day and shopping every day and spending a lot of money that can't save you anything. Number 9 is OPM, use other people's money. Millionaires rarely use their own money to build wealth. They use low credit interest loans, business credit, and real estate leverages. Hack number 10 is the hidden subscription killer method. Most people waste money on unused subscriptions and membership. Millionaires use apps like Trim or Rocket Money to find and cancel unnecessary expenses automatically. Which of these hacks will you try first? Like the video, hit the subscribe button and follow for more such type of items and videos. Bye bye.